Again, we are back to the virtual class. Before exam, we just started lesson heat. Am I right? Today's class, we are going to recall what all we have learned before exam. Let us begin. Concept 1. Heat is a form of energy. The term energy means capacity to do work. As heat can do work, it is a form of energy. Take a vessel half filled with water. Cover it with a lid and heat it over a flame. We can see that water starts boiling after some time. The lid moves up and down again and again. The steam could raise the lid, isn't it? It therefore does work. Heat is a form of energy and it can be used to do mechanical work. Concept 2. Heat energy can be converted into other forms. Here you can see the picture of a thermal power plant. In thermal power plants, heat energy is converted into electrical power. Here, water is heated, turned into steam, and drives a steam turbine, which drives electrical generators. Hence, heat energy is converted into electrical energy here. Now, move on to the next slide. What is the concept you are seeing here? Let us have a look. Temperature is an indicator of heat. Here you can see 2 cups of tea. In cup number 1, the tea is very cool because its temperature is very low. In cup number 2, you can feel that the tea is hot because the temperature of the tea is very high. So we can say temperature is an indicator of heat. Move on to the next slide. Physical changes happen. Let us see. On heating, gases, liquids and solids expand. Here the size of the metallic plate increases after heating. Here another setup you can see, this is ball and ring activity. In this setup you can see a metallic ball at the tip of the chain and there is a metallic ring. The ring is smaller in diameter than the ball. So the ball cannot move through the ring. But when the metallic ring is heated, it expands. Then the ball can be passed through the ring. This is called a thermal expansion. On heating, solids, liquids and gases expand. Another physical change is change of state. You know the different states of matter, solids, liquids and gases. The 3 different states of water are Solid state is ice, liquid state is water, and gaseous state is water vapor. On heating, water changes into water vapor, and again on cooling, water is changed into ice. So, addition or removal of heat causes changes in the state of matter. In nature, this is happening in the form of water cycle. You know the many phases of water in water cycle. Okay, so when a body is heated, physical changes happen. One physical change is thermal expansion and the other one is change of state and even change in temperature. Now, when a body is heated, even chemical changes also take place. Example, oxygen is prepared in lab by heating potassium chloride over flame. Manganese oxide is a catalyst in this reaction. Catalysts are the chemicals that increase or decrease the speed of chemical reaction. So let us see the setup here. Potassium chloride is taken in a test tube and heated over a flame. Oxygen gas bubbles are seen and oxygen gas is formed here. So when a body is heated, chemical changes take place. Now, let us summarize what all we have learned. First point is heat is a form of energy that gets transferred from a body at a higher temperature to a body at a lower temperature. Point 2. Heat can be converted into other forms of energy. Point 3. Temperature is an indicator of the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. Number 4. When a body is heated, various types of physical and chemical changes are observed. Move on to the next slide, that is your activity or home assignment. Here, the first task given to you is perform an activity to show that we can get other forms of energy from heat. Task number 2. Observe and find out 3 applications of thermal expansion in our daily life. You have a hot question. High order thinking question. Boil some water in a vessel. Cover it with a lid. Allow it to cool. Remove the lid. You will see water droplets on the lid. Find out and write why and how these are formed. Children, this is today's end. Our session is ended. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.